Hello all and welcome back. In this video we'll see how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows. Go to Google and search for Visual Studio Code. Here you'll get the first link. Click on this. On this page you will find there is a drop-down list. Here you can download VS Code for different operating systems, Mac, Linux and Windows. Now we'll click on download for Windows button. So your setup will be downloaded. Okay, now just double click on the setup. Click on install button. Now on the welcome window, just click on next. Click on I agree. Next. Next. Just click on next. And your installation will start now. Finish. Now your VS Code will start. So this is very simple to download and install VS Code on your machine. So I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.